Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Dropping Gems, and I thank you so much for tuning back to the channel. For today's video, I'm going to be elaborating more of context on YouTube challenge that we're about to embark on. Now, I want to speak on basically fears when starting on YouTube or creating content basically for any platform, not only YouTube. It can be creating a course and so forth. And let's have a conversation about that. Now, I consider myself to be an introvert. The persons consider me to be an introvert because that's just the way that I am. And I was able to break through that wall, I may say, and start something new. Now, it's very important for you to understand that making yourself uncomfortable in order to succeed is very much important. And there are times when being comfortable is not always the best answer. So that's one thing I want to advise you guys on. Now, with YouTube, you need to always remember that when creating a course or starting this channel, what do you want to say basically, or what is that you want to say? Now, one of the things I want you to remember is that we know more than we may think. We've lived for so long on the earth and you have so much experience and exposure. It therefore means that you know stuff. Alright, so always remember that you know more than you think, and you should also understand that you don't need to be an expert in everything. Just put out there what you've learned and what it is that you know. Alright, and as you progress and you learn stuff, you basically teach it. So your message will be able to resonate once you understand what it is that you're doing and you understand what it is that you're putting out there. It will resonate with people and people will connect with you over other creators for that particular reason. Alright? So just remember, you know more than what you think, and don't limit yourself to thinking that you don't know everything or you don't understand everything. Learn about it and then teach someone about it. You might be helping a person out in ways that you might not understand. Alright? Now there are some persons who might be camera shy. Yeah, I know, I am one of those persons. And I have a faceless channel because the main aim of my channel is not for you to see my face or how I look or how many subscribers I have, but it's here to help persons basically launch forward, move forward, and basically start something and be able to create a passive income for yourself. Now, at one point I was self-conscious, but I decided to start. What you need to do is to practice, 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 and stay consistent. Don't be doing stuff now and then you wait an entire year before you upload another video. Be consistent. If it's twice a week, if it's twice a month, just continue to be consistent and you will have what it is that you're looking for. Your public speaking will get better as you go by because you're speaking. Therefore, mean that you're going to have to go learn, interpret, understand in order before you come forward here and place it to the front to others. So yes, people are going to be mean as you progress with your channel, but as you grow bigger, there will always be mean people. Alright? Don't worry about it. No one cares but your subscribers and the persons who are watching your content. And as you go forward, you get more success, there'll be more haters. So trust me, don't worry about it. Alright? I've had, for such a small channel, I've had my fair share already. Alright? You might tell yourself that you're not a good talker. Yeah, you might tell yourself you're not a good talker, but what you need to know is that if you want to be better, you need to practice. And you also need to come out of your comfort zone. Alright? And it's a critical life skill, so as you practice here and go forward, you'll be able to continue a lifetime. Alright, so put that into the back of your head and always remember that. Alright? I know there's some persons who might say, oh, there's too much competition. There are hundreds of millions of people watching YouTube on a daily basis. That's one thing you need to know. And don't view it as a competition or don't worry. People will connect with you and resonate with you once your content you're putting out there is important. Alright? Before you start, I want you guys to think about who's it you need to help and who's it that needs to hear your message. Basically, why? Why are you doing it? Why are you starting a channel? what is your why. Once you place into context exactly what your why is, everything else will fall into place and you have the vision that you're headed for and you'll be able to write it down and go forward and get there. All right. Everyone can succeed and everyone will succeed. There's no such thing as a person not trying and not being able to succeed. The only way that's possible is if that person gives up on themselves. All right, create value. All right, create value because you will succeed. All right, so create value, continue to be consistent. You need to have a passion for what it is that you do, what it is that you create. You need to have a vision on who is it that you need to help or who is it that you want to help, what message you want to get out there, why you want to get that message out there, in order to keep focused with your vision. All right. You don't need a lot of money in order to start a YouTube channel. You don't need to have public speaking skills in order to have a YouTube channel. You don't need influencers in order to start this channel. All right. You will get all those things with time. So please don't forget these few tips that I've placed. I do hope this helps with any person who's trying to get into starting a YouTube channel. This is just basically the prep. I'll be continuing getting into basically how to have your video retentions high or how to keep it high. And I'll be continuing with editing and all those tips and I'll be showing you basically how to get that done in order to grow not only my channel but your channel as well. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also comment if you have questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.